Hello guys, you're welcome once more to NETA. If you're new to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and you have to share the link of the channel out there in the students, okay, that need to want to improve on their math. Alright, so today we have a simple problem on trigonometric. It says we should find all values of x, which satisfy 5 sine x is equals to what? 4 cos x. So how do we solve this problem? Our solution. Okay, one thing I want to remember is, I want to remember if we have tan x, we can simply write tan x as what? We say sine x divided by what? Cos x. Now you can observe the given equation, which is what? 5 sine x is equals to what? 4 cos. So the question is, how do we, solve this so that we are going to have what? Our tan x on one side and basically at the left hand side. So the basic idea is, okay, we have sine x by cos x. So I want to divide this by what? Cos what? X. So it means I'm also going to divide this by what? Cos x. Okay. Now, dividing both sides by cos x will enable me to have what? Tan x on the left hand side. So this is now 5 tan x. Now, how do I remove the 5? Okay. Now, to remove the 5, we also have to divide this by what? 5 and also divide this by 5. So this given equation, we just need to divide it by what? 5 cos x, okay, by both sides to be able to get our tan x. So let's see what that gives us. So this 5 is going to cancel out this 5, so we are left with what? We are left with tan x at the left hand side. So I have my tan x, okay, because sine x divided cos x, which we have here is tan x, is going to be equal to. What about the right hand side? Yes, something can cancel, so my cos x can cancel cos x, so we are left with what? 4 over what? 5. So for fifth, okay, we can write this actually in what? Decimal, okay, if I have 0 points, it means I'm going to what? This point, I'm going to add 0 to this, making it what? 40. So 5 by 40 is what? 8, okay? So 455 is what? 0.48. Now that we have 0.8, we are going to find the value of x, okay, which satisfies this expression. And remember the question says we want to find all values, okay? So let's find all the values of x. Now, what do we do to find x? Okay, we are going to take the tan inverse of both sides. So if I say tan inverse of what? Tan x, okay? I'm also going to take what? The tan inverse, okay, of what? 0.18, okay? Now the tan inverse of, okay, tan x also means what? X, okay, which is equals to what? Now the tan inverse of 0.8, okay, if you push your calculator, you should be having around 38, okay, point what? 6, okay? So you'll be having 38.66 degree, okay? So the value for x, one of the values of x that satisfies this equation is what? At 8.66, all right? But if we follow our quadrant rule, okay? Remember your quadrant rule, we have all here, okay? Students, okay, take, okay? Let's say coffee, all right? So all students take coffee or all students take class, all right? Now you see that this is what cos, this is sine, so sine is positive here, cos is positive here, and tan is what? Positive here. Now we've gotten x as what? 38.66, which is at this quadrant. Now we also need to have, another value for what? X at this quadrant, okay? Because tan is positive in the first quadrant and in the third quadrant. So the next value for x is going to be what? Now, we have all this as what? 180 degree. Okay, this angle on a straight line. So 180 plus this. So our x is also, okay, at the third quadrant will be 180 degree plus what? We have 38.66 degree. So let's see what that gives us. So our x is going to be what? So we have, okay, 0 plus 8 is what? 8. Okay, we have 0.66 there. Okay, now 8 plus 3, okay, is 11. So we have 1, okay, carry 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So the other value, okay, that also satisfies this according to the quadrant what rule is 218.66 degree. So this and this, gives us the values of x that satisfies what this equation. Alright, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, remember to subscribe to this channel and share the link of this channel to somebody out there. And you can also drop a comment or two. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.